Have you ever wondered why some people seem to achieve massive success effortlessly while others struggle just to get by? What if I told you that the key isn't luck, talent, or connections, but a set of principles anyone can apply, principles shared by one of the greatest minds in personal development, Jim Rohn? Today, I'm going to reveal what Jim Rohn can teach you about creating massive success step by step. Stick with me until the end, and by the time this video is over, you'll have the roadmap to transform your life and achieve the results you've always dreamed of. 1. The power of philosophy. Jim Rohn always believed that philosophy is the foundation upon which every other part of life is built. And when you truly understand that idea, you begin to see why two people can have the same circumstances, the same opportunities, the same tools, even the same challenges, yet end up with completely different results. Philosophy is the lens through which you interpret the world, and if that lens is clouded by pessimism, doubt, fear, or a victim mentality, then every opportunity will look like a threat, every lesson will look like a failure, and every possibility will seem too risky to chase. Rohn taught that your philosophy influences how you process experiences, and how you process experiences determines how you respond, and how you respond ultimately determines your destiny. What stops most people is not a lack of ability, but a mindset that tells them they are not capable, not ready, or not worthy. But when you adopt a philosophy of growth, responsibility, and possibility, you begin to see challenges not as punishments, but as invitations to grow, strengthen, and evolve. You start to believe that setbacks are temporary, that skills can be developed, and that life rewards those who search for solutions rather than excuses. A strong personal philosophy doesn't remove problems, it reshapes how you interpret them. It empowers you to question your own limitations, to replace negative patterns with empowering ones, and to shift from being reactive to being intentional. Rohn often said, "Stand guard at the door of your mind, because whatever you allow in, ideas, influences, beliefs, conversations, will eventually shape your choices, your habits, and your future." If you feed your mind doubt, you will live a doubtful life. If you feed it courage, curiosity, and discipline, your life will reflect those qualities. Success begins with an internal shift, long before it manifests outwardly. When you take ownership of your philosophy, you reclaim control over your life. You recognize that you can choose how to think, and by choosing how to think, you choose how to live. Philosophy is not just an idea. It is a daily practice of questioning, refining, and elevating your thoughts so your destiny follows. And once your philosophy changes, everything else, your habits, your decisions, your relationships, your opportunities, begins to rise with it. 2. Set clear goals. Jim Rohn insisted that success is not something you randomly stumble into. It is something you deliberately design through clear, written, intentional goals. Without goals, your life becomes a series of random events, with no direction, no urgency, and no consistent progress. Goals are more than dreams. They are commitments backed by clarity and structure. When you write down exactly what you want, you give your mind a target to focus on, something to measure against, and something to strive toward even when motivation fades. Rohn believed that goals act as a personal GPS, guiding you through distractions, obstacles, and the noise of daily life by keeping your attention fixed on what matters most. Without this guidance, you can work hard yet make no meaningful progress, like a ship sailing without a compass. Clear goals prevent wasted effort. They allow you to prioritize your time, eliminate unnecessary tasks, and channel your energy into actions that actually move you forward. But clarity alone is not enough. Your goals must also be measurable, specific, and written, because the act of writing transforms vague intentions into real commitments. Reviewing them regularly reinforces your focus, reminding your subconscious mind of what you are working toward. The more frequently you revisit your goals, the more deeply they become embedded in your identity, and the more naturally your daily actions begin to align with them. Rohn also taught that goals give your life purpose. They create anticipation, excitement, and meaning. They pull you forward, especially during difficult times, because you are not just reacting to life. You are actively building a future you have chosen. People without goals drift, but people with goals grow. Setting goals is not about predicting the future, it is about shaping it. It is about becoming the kind of person who is willing to plan, commit, and follow through. Goals turn dreams into blueprints and hope into strategy. They transform ordinary people into purposeful achievers. And the beauty of goals is that they evolve as you evolve. Each one you accomplish strengthens your belief, expands your capacity, and prepares you to reach for even greater possibilities. Clear goals are the anchor of success and the first step toward designing a life of intention rather than a life of chance. 3. Take consistent action. Jim Rohn taught that knowledge, planning, and even the best intentions are meaningless without action. He often said, "Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment." And this simple truth explains why so many people dream big but achieve little, because they wait for perfect conditions, perfect timing, or perfect confidence before acting. But success belongs to those who move, even imperfectly. Consistent action is the force that transforms goals into results, and it is built not on dramatic bursts of effort but on small daily habits that compound over time. Rohn understood that consistency is powerful because it builds momentum. Every day you follow through, you strengthen your belief in yourself, and every day you avoid action, you weaken it. Many people underestimate the value of small steps, yet those steps accumulate, multiply, and eventually create breakthroughs. Every book read, every skill practiced, every hour invested, every decision to show up adds to a growing reservoir of progress. Consistency is not about intensity, it is about reliability. It is about choosing progress over perfection, effort over excuses, movement over stagnation. Rohn's philosophy emphasizes that action creates clarity. When you move forward, even slowly, you learn more about your path, your strengths, and your next steps. Waiting teaches you nothing. Action teaches you everything. Taking consistent action also reshapes your identity. You stop seeing yourself as someone who wants and start seeing yourself as someone who does. That shift in identity fuels even more action, creating a cycle of growth that becomes unstoppable. Of course, discipline is not always comfortable. There are days when motivation disappears, when doubts whisper, when progress feels invisible. But Rohn believed that discipline, doing what needs to be done whether you feel like it or not, is the hallmark of all achievers. It is the dividing line between merely wishing and truly achieving. Consistent action trains your mind to push through resistance, proving to yourself that you can rely on your own commitment. Over time, this builds confidence, resilience, and mastery. And the magic of consistent action is that it eventually produces results so significant that they seem sudden to everyone else. But you know they came from showing up day after day, long before anyone noticed. Taking action is the key that unlocks every goal, every dream, and every transformation. Without action, nothing changes. With action, everything becomes possible. 4. Learn from mentors. Learning from mentors is one of the greatest accelerators of growth, and Jim Rohn embodied this principle throughout his entire journey. He often said that you cannot succeed alone because success is a team sport, one that is shaped by the people you choose to learn from, listen to, and associate with. A mentor is not simply a teacher or a guide. A mentor is someone whose life serves as living proof that certain principles work. When you study a mentor, you aren't just absorbing ideas. You are compressing decades of experience into days of understanding. This is why Jim Rohn repeatedly emphasized the importance of seeking out those who have already achieved the results you desire. A mentor helps you see blind spots you didn't know you had, introduces you to opportunities you didn't know existed, and challenges you to elevate your thinking in ways you couldn't do alone. Many people struggle for years trying to figure things out on their own, not realizing that guidance from someone experienced can shorten the learning curve dramatically. When you learn from a mentor, you gain access to their mistakes, their strategies, their breakthroughs, and their wisdom, all without having to face the same level of trial and error. That alone is an advantage that can change the entire trajectory of your life. But mentorship doesn't always require a formal, personal relationship. Mentors can be found in books, seminars, podcasts, biographies, and even through observing the habits and decisions of people you admire. Jim Rohn himself was mentored through the writings of great thinkers and philosophers, proving that mentorship is accessible to anyone willing to learn. The key is to stay teachable, to recognize that no matter how far you've come, someone else has gone further, and their insights can save you years of struggle. When you surround yourself with people who think at a higher level, your own thinking naturally rises. When you spend time with people who expect more of themselves, you begin to expect more of yourself as well. And when you engage with individuals who have achieved success, you begin to understand the mindset, discipline, and values required to achieve it yourself. This is why Jim Rohn famously said, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." Your network truly becomes your net worth because the people around you shape your vision, your standards, your expectations, and ultimately your results. If you want to become more confident, spend time learning from confident people. If you want to improve your finances, study people who manage money well. If you want to grow in leadership, observe those who have mastered influence. Mentorship is not about copying someone's life. It's about learning the principles behind their success and applying them in your own unique way. And the faster you learn, the faster you grow. Every book you read, every seminar you attend, every conversation with someone wiser than you, all of these experiences compound into knowledge that can transform your life. The most successful individuals are not the ones who know everything. They are the ones who never stop learning and who surround themselves with people who inspire them to rise. In the end, the quality of your mentors becomes the blueprint for the quality of your results. So seek guidance, stay humble, stay curious, and commit to learning from those who have already walked the path you are walking. Your future depends on it. 5. Embrace discipline and personal growth. Discipline is the bridge between who you are now and who you have the potential to become, and no one articulated this more clearly than Jim Rohn. To him, success was not a mystery or an accident. It was the natural result of personal growth practiced consistently over time. True success begins internally, not externally. It begins with the commitment to invest in yourself, your mindset, your habits, your health, your emotional maturity, and your ability to stay focused on your goals. Financial success is only one aspect of achievement. The real prize is who you become in the process. When you develop discipline, you take control of your life rather than allowing circumstances to control you. You learn to keep your promises to yourself, and that alone builds a level of confidence and strength that money can never buy. Every disciplined action, no matter how small, compounds into massive transformation over time. Waking up earlier, reading consistently, exercising regularly, managing time wisely, budgeting carefully, practicing gratitude, refining your communication. These tiny choices shape your character, and your character shapes your destiny. Jim Rohn taught that you must become the person who deserves the success you seek. This means developing qualities such as patience, humility, integrity, courage, and resilience. Success doesn't respond to wishes. It responds to discipline. Discipline is what turns goals into routines and routines into results. Discipline is what keeps you consistent long after motivation fades. Many people desire a better life, but desire without discipline becomes frustration. Growth requires sacrifice, giving up old habits, limiting distractions, rejecting excuses, and pushing yourself beyond comfort. And while this process is not easy, it is profoundly rewarding, because the more disciplined you become, the more freedom you create. Discipline gives you financial freedom by helping you manage money wisely. It gives you emotional freedom by helping you control your responses. It gives you physical freedom by keeping your body strong and healthy. It gives you mental freedom by sharpening your focus and strengthening your decision-making. Personal growth, however, is not a one-time event. It is a lifelong journey. You must be willing to continuously learn, evolve, and challenge yourself. This includes reading books that expand your mind, listening to mentors who stretch your thinking, engaging in conversations that deepen your awareness, and exposing yourself to new ideas and environments. Growth is uncomfortable because it forces you to let go of who you were in order to become who you can be. Jim Rohn believed that the greatest investment you can ever make is in yourself, because everything in your life, your relationships, opportunities, income, mindset, expands in proportion to your personal development. When you grow, everything around you grows. Ultimately, embracing discipline and personal growth is about taking responsibility for your life. It's about realizing that you are not a product of your circumstances. You are a product of your decisions. And every decision you make either moves you closer to the life you want or further away from it. If you want a better future, you must build a better you. Commit to becoming stronger, wiser, more patient, more disciplined, more focused, more compassionate, more intentional. Commit to becoming the kind of person who naturally attracts success because they have developed the mindset and habits that sustain it. You don't get what you want, you get what you are prepared for. So embrace discipline, pursue personal growth relentlessly, and step boldly into the version of you that is capable of living the life you desire. Your future self is waiting. Now you know the secrets Jim Rohn shared with the world: philosophy, goal setting, consistent action, mentorship, and personal growth. These aren't just ideas, they're actionable steps you can start today. Remember, massive success is not a mystery, it's a discipline. Apply these principles, stay consistent, and watch your life transform. Your journey starts now.